Archicad window settings. So I will show you how to create windows like an row in Archicad so that your windows can appear just like these windows. So you can see these windows, they appear realistic. It's like you have rendered, but this is not rendering, this is pure Archicad. So for example, let us insert this window here. I will start by deleting it. Let's insert this window. So I'll go to the ground floor. Okay, there's this window which is missing. So I'll go to window. I'll go to special window. The window we want is this type of window. Then my window is about 2265. That is 1500 by 2265. Okay. Change to 20. So let's insert this window up to there. Okay, then I can just put the window to fit in there by just dragging. Okay, now let's go to 3D. So definitely you can see how this window appears. It is not like these windows. Okay, so we need to change. Let's change first the height and the width. So this one, the width will be 1500. Against the height would be 2265. Then still to story, let this be about 1000. Okay, now this window, you can see this window, the way it appears, this is not, does not look realistic. So for these windows, you cannot see through, but you can see the way the windows are the settings. This is the focus of this video, how to do the settings for this window. So I'll go to right click, window selection settings. So I'll start by search option. I'll go to search, just expand here, go to search options. Now the transform search, I'll change to sunburst 2. So let's see. Okay, you can see the way they're starting to be similar. Then again, right click, then right click, window selection settings. Again, for search options, I'll go now to main search. I'll change this one to HV grid 3. Okay, now you can see. Again, click, right click, window selection settings. Now I'll go to opening line and then override. So then click OK. You can see the effect of overriding. Then I'll click again, right click, window selection settings, and check these opening lines. Then click OK. Now we're almost through. You can see how this window appears. Now these windows we cannot see through, but this one you can see through. Now we can, and also you can see the settings, the colors are a bit different. So let's click again, select that window, right click, window selection settings. Then I'll go now to model. Make sure show shadow and override 3D. Override MVO 3D. So let's uncheck this and see the effect. Okay, now the frame and search surfaces. So for frame surface outside, I'll use ivory black, paint ivory black. The same here, the same here, ivory black. Um, Same ivory black, paint ivory black, paint ivory black. Now let's click OK. Now I don't want my window um to be transparent, and you can see also the colors is also a bit different. So let's click again, then go again to properties. Now this one I'll change from glass clear first to I'll change to paint pale blue. Then for frame and search pens, so let's first click that one. Now this window is translucent, and you can see how it appears is like it has been rendered. So I'll go again, click. Now I need to select the window selection settings, and change this one to 41. Now the frame and search 3D 41, 41. Now there is our window. Okay, so we can again do this window. This window is still to story 3998, right? So, and it is A is 32. I mean, wait, 30 73 14 53 3998 30 73 49. So I'll go to this view, to the plan view, then I will insert a window. So let's go to story one. So I need to insert a window there. So I'll go to window, click here. I'll go to basic window, window 19, 30 73. Okay, I'll insert it there. Wait, I'll insert it there. Let's again do the window. So let's go to 3D. Okay, now this window need to move to still to story, let's say 0. So I need to delete one of those windows, delete that one again. This one I can just move it. So I want to move it. Stretch vertically up to that point. Again, I'll stretch. So you can change the height to about 1451. 1451. Just change the height. Okay. When I want to stretch horizontally, that point. Now again, we need to edit this window, the settings, to make it appear like this. This window is now, I think it is transparent. I'll go to window selection settings. I'll start with search options. HV grids 2 by 3. I mean horizontal is 3, vertical is 2. Okay, right click again, select, right click again, window selection settings. I'll go to openings, then override, and then uncheck opening line. Okay, we still have some work to do. Right click, window selection settings, model attribute, change this to paint ivory black, paint ivory black, paint ivory black, paint ivory black, paint ivory black. And this one can remain like that. Then all these will be 41. And then we can check model. So we can use again glass blue. So let's go to settings. I change from clear forecast to glass blue. So you can see how we just did this type of windows. If you like this video, please do consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.